What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be covering conditions in Python. So to start a condition, you will start with the if statement followed by a condition. So in this case, we'll say 1 and then 2 equals to signify an equals and then 1. We're then going to add a colon, and inside here is the body of the if statement, and we will just print true. Now we can also say elif, and then another equation, we can say 1 equals 2, and we can print false. So let's try running this. And of course we get true because 1 equals 1. So we can get a little bit more fancy with this. We can add a equation, so we can say number equals int input, and we can enter a prompt, which is enter a number. So now we can say if number equals 1, then print out true. Otherwise, if number equals 2, print out false. So now when we run this, we can enter in a number. I'll enter 2, so we get false. You can also create nested if statements. So we can say if number equals, we can say if number is greater than or equal to 5, if number is less than or equal to, we'll say 10. So this will be any number from 5 to 10. We can print out your number is from 5 to 10. 5 to 10. So I'm going to write up a script, and then there's going to be a bug that you have to identify. I'll walk you through how the program works, and then you'll have to identify the bug. So let's get right into it. So there is now a bug in this program that I'm going to allow you to try to figure out. So in this logic, if your number is greater than 5, we want you to print out one of these two values. We want you to print out your number is from 5 to 10 if it's less than 10. Otherwise, we just want you to print out your number is greater than 5. Now, in this case, it would also be greater than 10, but that's not what we're worried about. And if it doesn't fall under any of these conditions, if it's less than 5, we want it to print out not assessed. So take a moment to see if you see the bug in the code, pause it right here, and then come back after. Alright, so if you said you need an else statement after this if, you would be correct. So we'll just add an else statement, and we'll print not assessed. And now you can see if we run the code, we can enter in a number like 4, it says not assessed. We can run it again, we can enter a number like 5, it says your number is from 5 to 10, and we can say 9, or 0 I guess, and then we can also say 10, your number is from 5 to 10. Now if we go over 10, like 11, your number is greater than 5. So there we go, that is conditions. Now before I end the video, there's one more thing I would like to show. We can also combine if statements. So if we use the AND operator, so if your number is greater than or equal to 5 and less than or equal to 10, we can say your number is from 5 to 10, and then otherwise print not assessed. And you can see that it's recommending something different here, so we can just simplify that. This is a bit more of an advanced concept, but you can see we can say if 5 is less than or equal to the number, and the number is less than or equal to 10, then we can print not assessed. And I have this indented. So let's try running this. Let's say 7, and there we go, you see it works. I hope you enjoyed this video, learned a thing or two, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.